Hello friends, in this video I will tell you how to open bin file. If you've downloaded an old image file of some forgotten game or program, you may be wondering how to open it on your computer. The bin format is an older file type that contains all of the information from the CD or DVD it originated from. You cannot open a bin file directly. In order to use it, you will need to either burn it to a disk or mount it to a virtual drive. You can also convert the bin file into an ISO file, which allows you to use many more programs to burn or mount it. Find your files. If you are trying to burn the bin file to a CD or DVD, you will also need the CUE file to go with it. If you have the bin file but can't find the CUE file, you can create one. Create a CUE file, if you don't have one. Open Notepad and enter the following lines. File name .bin binary. Track 01 mode 1/2352.index 010 o'clock. Change file name .bin to the name of the bin file you are trying to burn. Keep the quotation marks. Save the file to the same folder as the bin file. The CUE file should be named exactly the same as the bin file, except with the CUE extension. Click File Save As. Click the Save As Type drop-down menu and select All Files. Give the file a CUE extension. Open your burning program. As bin is an outdated format, only older programs fully support it, especially when it comes to multitrack bin files. Popular programs include CD-ROWIN, Alcohol 120%, and Nero. Load the image file. Depending on the program, you may need to load the CUE file or it may ask for the bin file. Once the image file is loaded, you should see a readout showing how much space the image will take on the disk. Start burning. Once you've verified that the image has loaded correctly, insert a blank disk and start burning. The time it takes to burn will depend on the size of the image, your burner's speed, and your computer performance. Test the disk. Once the burn is complete, test the disk by inserting it into the device you burned it for. Ensure that everything loads correctly, and that any tracks are in the right spot. So, this is all for this video. Hope you like it, share it with your friends, and if you have any question you can ask me in the comments section. So, see you in the next video. Bye bye.